welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my everyday morning routine. I hope you guys enjoy this one, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day.
That took forever because Jaxson, who is my youngest son, he did something that I don't even want to talk about it. He took all the clean clothes and shoved them behind his bed, and I had him remove them. And instead of putting them away like I asked him to, he brought them and shoved them in the laundry room. So that's why I have so much clothes, because Jaxson was being sneaky, and I'm gonna have to talk to him about that because he's been doing a lot of things lately that I don't like. Don't mind my hair. He's been doing a lot of things lately that I don't like and I don't approve of. But like, for instance, all these uniform pants were clean. And I was trying to figure out why he was repeating the same pants over and over again when he has a ton of uniform pants, but they've been in the laundry room stuffed down in a basket. And I usually try to stay on top of laundry because laundry stresses me out, including my house. My house, if I don't do this routine every single day, it stresses me out. And he's causing me stress right now because I have a ton of clean clothes mixed in with dirty clothes. So let me show y'all what I did. So these are their pants, and I know a ton of these are clean. Whites, towels that I switched over because I decorated for Christmas. These are donation pants for him. Bathroom rugs that needs to be washed. Shower curtains and throw blankets, throw pillows, covers that needs to be washed that I switched over. And these are their tops mixed in with Jackson's clean stuff. So, and right now, I'm running our laundry because I don't mix our stuff with theirs. I love this view. I'm gonna add lights going down here. But I love this view. Hubby's fixing the floor right here because when we laid the floor down, we had like a hump and we didn't address it. So we had to rip it up because every time you step on it, the planks would pop open. So he's doing that right now. My tree is up. The twins are doing virtual right now. Downstairs is a hot mess. I promise you it is. But that's a little glimpse. I'm not going to show you guys too much because I'm going to wait for my home tour. And then you turn right here and there go all my throw pillows that needs covers. They're naked. And then over here is my tree farm situation. I hung this up. I need to find the little baggies because every year I put treats in them. And starting, I don't know where I start from, but I think it's the 1st of December. They start getting treats out the baggies, so I gotta go find the baggies and I put the sign. I'm gonna leave that for the home tour because I don't want to show you guys too much. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
What class are you going to right now?
6.
6?
Right. I think it's 7.
Okay. And Mad's there. Living room's a mess. I have to wash this rug. It's filthy dirty. I have Christmas boxes everywhere over here. My kitchen is a hot mess because I still haven't decorated for Christmas in here. And I have more Christmas boxes over there. Yeah. But I need coffee. I'm gonna show you guys the coffee I drink now. It's called Chelo coffee. Yeah, that's what I drink now. So I'm gonna make me a cup and then work my way down here. What's the magic word? Please. What do you want for breakfast? Please turn that down. What do you want for breakfast? You want apple juice? What else? You want some cereal?
Yeah.
Yes? With chocolate milk?
Yeah.
Please.
Please.
And Oreos. Milk. And her apple juice. All done. So good. Oh, love it. Love it, love it. I'm gonna go sit down and enjoy my coffee. I'll catch up with y'all a little bit.
I know you're hurt. I can see it in your eyes, babe. You need to let your mind off things. No, it hurts. I can see it in your eyes, babe. But I know you have a lot to give. I know that it's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me, yeah. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I know you're strong. To get yourself together, things still get better if you just believe it. Yeah, it's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me, yeah. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guide.
This is my last pile to put away. I just vacuumed the hallway and everything is gone. I only have the mats and my shower curtain and one little white pillow to wash. I'm now on the whites. And I would say it was a productive day. What?